The Arabian Gulf is an idyllic habitat for a variety of marine life. However, coral reefs in these waters are severely threatened. Recent estimates suggest that 35% of the region's reefs are already permanently lost due to many stress factors. Emirates Diving Association in Dubai is conducting a study that aims to better understand and conserve the region's marine ecosystem. Khadijah Sali has this report.
For over a year now, the Emirates Diving Association has been carrying out a study and collecting samples from the connected waters of the UAE and the Musandam Peninsula of Oman. The ongoing study is focused on the importance of grazers for healthy reefs in extreme conditions. According to them, reefs worldwide are facing pressure from thermal stress.
Most of the corals are thermal sensitive, meaning that with the increase of the seawater temperature, they go through what we call bleaching. And through bleaching, they don't die, but they are more sensitive. And after a while, if they don't recover, they can die. So the more increase of the seawater temperature we have, more events of mass bleaching that we will have. And then it can lead to the death of coral reefs.
The Arabian Gulf's water temperature can drop to around 12 degrees Celsius in winter and rise up to 37 degrees Celsius during the summer months. Marine biologists say this natural laboratory's harsh environment allows them to compare life forms that thrive in the area.
In the Arabian Gulf, you have more the territorial herbivores. There are small damsel fish, so they graze on the algae more on small areas. It's like they have their own garden. So they protect one area to guarantee that they have algae, but they eat that algae. And in the Musandam, you have more parrotfish, and they graze all over. So they control the algal growth in all the coral reef. So that's something we found. If you can have protected areas, you will eliminate other pressures that you have on corals, like the overfishing, pollution, coastal development. So we know that corals generally have all these pressures all longer the years and decades. And recently we also have climate change. So with protected areas, we are just eliminating some of the pressures. So it's really important to have them.
Meridien Aqah in Fujairah was among the first properties in the UAE to contribute to conservation efforts. In 2009, they put together an artificial reef project with Fujairah and Dibba municipalities, Al Boom Diving Center and EDA, making the East Coast the first beach to have man-made reef structures.
Today it's lovely. We see a lot of corals. We see very different types of corals that have started to develop. Floral ones, colorful ones, not just, like some of the skeptics would say, just underwater growth, you know. There is proper corals are starting to develop. Some species of fish are starting to make it a habitat. And the whole area is developing to the point that we are now looking at expanding the project. We were wanting to expanding it years ago. Then we decided to slow it down until we understood a bit better. And now we're actively looking at developing it again.
As the site of several UNESCO marine protected coral reefs, the Arabian Gulf provides food and shelter to a diverse range of marine species, including a third of the world's whale and dolphin species. Stress factors endangering coral reefs include pollution, coastal developments, overfishing, and unregulated diving. However, they say awareness is growing.
At one stage also, fishermen used to come and put their nets down there because they knew there was fish, so they would destroy the whole fragile habitat. Again, talking to them, making them aware, you know, telling them it's for the tourists. They know tourists bring money to the area, so they now respect it.
People want to know. People are willing to learn. So there has been a huge shift. Maybe people don't really see it, but yes, there is more awareness going on, and this is why we're here. Awareness, teaching people, getting people to understand how important our marine life is, our oceans are.
With the climate change, sea temperatures are predicted to continue to rise, and findings of this study will be crucial across the globe, according to EDA. While they aim for better understanding of life under the Arabian Gulf's waters, they hope everyone will do their bit, as our survival depends on the continued existence of marine life and their diversity. Khadijah, Sali, 7 National News.